Hello everybody, hope you're all doing fine. I am back with yet another video on how to use basics, and today in this video I'm gonna be guiding you through how to add another profile on Crunchyroll. So if you wanna add another profile on Crunchyroll and you do not know how to get started, then this video is for you. Keep watching the video till the end and do not forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now, in order to add another profile on Crunchyroll, first of all, you have to have Crunchyroll app installed in your mobile phone. So if it is not installed, then go ahead and install the application first and then log into your account, and then you're all set to do the procedure. So go ahead and tap on the Crunchyroll application first, and then you will be available with such interface on your mobile phone. Now what you gotta do is go ahead and tap on account option, which is in the bottom right corner, and then you will be available with several options here. What you gotta do is go ahead and tap on switch profile, which is in the first option, and then go ahead and tap on add profile, which is the second option in the screen. So boom, it says upgrade to premium. So if you have not upgraded your account to premium, then you will not be able to add any profile on Crunchyroll, as I have not upgraded it. So you can go ahead and upgrade it into premium and add another profile on Crunchyroll easily. So it was that quick and easy. I hope this video was helpful. I will see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.